Hello everyone, welcome back to another 3 Minutes at 3.
Today's topic is endurance is key.
So, you need to remember in business that it is a long game. It is not a short sprint to the finish. And a lot of times the people that you see that are the most successful in business, they have been at it for a really, really long time. And those people that are like overnight successes, they've been at it for a really, really long time. They just finally got their big break, if you will.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, in fact, if you have any bit of an entrepreneur spirit to you, you likely have more ideas than you could possibly carry out today, this week, this month, even this year. And I'm a lot like this because I just have notebooks full of ideas and stuff I would like to carry out. And, I would like to make it all happen right now, but it's just not physically possible. So I have to pick and choose and prioritize some, and then some just have to go on the back burner till later, till I have more time freed up.
Yeah. And, so the efficiency of your life can be key here. So, if you eliminate a lot of the time drains like watching movies and cable television, not only does it get cheaper in your life, when you start doing less and less entertainment things and focusing more and more in on your business, you gain back a lot of hours and a lot of your time back. The difference between poor people and rich people, or not successful or successful people, is there is no difference. We all get the same 24 hours in a day. It's just how we choose to use that time to our advantages or disadvantages. You can be building something up or tearing it down. But at either rate, it's an endurance game. There's nothing quick about it. There is no quick money in business. And if it is, it's a scam. Stay away from it. Right. You don't want to make quick money in business. It won't be there. It'll be there and gone the next. And so we've experienced this on a couple different times, a big job coming in and it looked like it was going to be a big thing, a real big thing, and got overly excited about it. And it drifted away just as quick as it went through the door, and it took 3-4 days of our time. And so we've learned not to do that anymore, or, say if somebody's like, oh, I got to have it in now. Well, you can go on down to the next Blacksmith you find. And that has always worked for us, hasn't it?
Yes, it has.
So, yeah, you may be turning down some things, but ultimately you're going to be a happier person. Because again, this is a long run. It's not a sprint. So that's going to be it for this 3 Minutes at 3. We thank you all for being here.
And thank you for joining us.
And as always, God bless you.
And we'll catch you on the next one.